In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Monzo mobile app with a straightforward step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're new to banking apps or just need a little help with the installation process, don't worry, I've got you covered. Now, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser on your device. You can use your computer, tablet, or even your smartphone for this step as long as you have access to the internet. The goal here is to search for the Monzo mobile app. Head over to Google or your favorite search engine and type Monzo mobile app in the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the official website where you can find all the necessary information about the app. Once you've got your search results, look for the official Monzo website. This is usually the first or second link in the results, and it should be pretty easy to identify. Go ahead and click on it to enter their official site. This is a crucial step because downloading the app through the official website ensures security and reliability. On the Monzo website, you'll see various options and information all about the app and its features. What you want to do next is look for the app download options suited to your device. Typically, you will see two obvious choices, one for the App Store for iOS devices and the other for Google Play for Android devices. Make sure to select the correct store according to your device's operating system. If you're doing this from a computer, there's an extra step to keep in mind. After clicking the respective store button, you should switch over to your mobile device. You can't install the app on your phone directly from a desktop or laptop, but clicking the link on your computer can help guide you to the right place on your mobile device. Alternatively, you could manually search for the Monzo app directly from your mobile device's app store. Once you're on your mobile device and ready to go, locate the app page within the App Store or Google Play. On this page, you'll notice an option to install or get the app. If you're using Google Play, look for the install button, and if you're on the App Store, you'll see Get next to the app. Tap on it, and the download should begin shortly. Just allow a few moments for the app to download and install on your device. Your screen will notify you once the installation is complete, and you're all set to start using the Monzo mobile app. Explore its features, manage your finances, and enjoy the convenience it offers. Thanks for following along in today's guide on downloading the Monzo mobile app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who could use this step-by-step guide. Happy banking with Monzo.